So hive number 1 here at Meti. We just got here at Meti, and this hive was sitting in this position over here. So with the entrance facing up like this, so it must have slipped. There was no heavy weight put on top, and as you can see, we've just like have a clump of bees here on these 2 frames. This is how it's looking. It's like a starter swarm. Have a look. So there's comb here which has been eaten. Old comb, yeah.
This one is a new, it's like
yeah,
a split.
it's a new swarm, eh?
Yeah, it's a new swarm.
I'm sure those bees, when this hive started to face up,
they left.
They left, yeah.
The new guys.
Yeah, so these guys have moved in. Ooh.
There's the queen.
There's the queen there. She's running away there. There's she there underneath. Yeah, right there. Okay. So let's put them back inside in the board. Okay, I'm sure now these guys will do well because we've put the box in a upright position.